It's more satisfying.
Ooh.
It sounded like tape.
That did sound like tape.
It sounded like tape getting
Oh, here's
ripped.
Cookie Rolls things.
What?
Smooth and quiet.
It's super satisfying.
What about this one? Is this going to be the that one too? Like a tape?
Hey everyone, welcome back to Melvin Family, and today we will be making another Home Depot Kids Workshop project. Isaiah, what are we making today?
We will make the Valentine's photo box.
And this is what it looks like. It looks like a box, and it has a Valentine's Day sort of decoration, and it has a little picture you can frame. You can also open it to get behind it to frame it. And if you haven't seen our last video, you should go check it out where we made the toss game. Isaiah, what tools will we need today?
We will need a hammer, a screwdriver,
Wood glue, and sandpaper. Yeah. And you can get your kits at Home Depot monthly. Each month they have a different kit right here, and it comes in sort of this kit thing. And it has all the materials. So let's start building.
So to start building, we need to open our package here. So we get all of our pieces out, and then we'll lay them out and see what it all comes with.
Now let's look at the contents. The contents contain 2 sides, 2 ends, 1 lid, 2 frame sides, 1 bottom, 2 clear plastic sheets, 1 frame top, 1 frame bottom, 10 long nails, 14 short nails, and 2 screws, and 1 sticker sheet. Start with sanding each wood piece to remove any rough edges. Remember to sand in the direction of the wood grain. Glue and nail the pieces together. Allow glue to completely dry.
So we're going to look for the 2 pieces that are part of the frame. They're identical. They are the longer pieces, which are these at the end.
Right here?
Right at the end. We're going to need those 2, and then find out where those holes are and put the holes facing up, or we're going to need something else. We're going to need 4 long nails for each side, and we're going to hammer those into it.
Wait.
Just to get them in frame.
Wait.
What's that?
This reminds me of a video when I peeled this off.
Yeah, it comes with another one, another 2 clear plastic sheets.
I want to peel.
We will get to that part a little later.
I want to go sandpaper.
Just tap it a bit more.
Alright, so for step number 2, we're going to stand both end pieces up. We're going to glue one of the side pieces on top and make sure that the outside edges are even. We're going to nail them together, turn the project over, and repeat to attach the other side piece. So we're basically going to create a frame, as Ethan is showing us here, now that he's got the 4 nails on each of the side pieces. And then we're going to flip it to create a frame. Now we're going to do the other side piece. Now it's very important that it is perfectly straight, because this is going to be part of what will hold the inside of the other box that we're going to build here in a minute. Excellent. Now we're going to do the other bottom frame. We're going to put it in, and we're going to make sure that it's nice and aligned, that it doesn't stick out on any side, and it's perfectly ready to be hammered in.
We're going to move on to step 2.
Step number 3, actually, which is now we're going to lay the project flat, glue the bottom piece on top, make sure all edges are even, and using 8 short nails, nail them together to form a box. Now we're not using glue for this project, and we're going to use 8 nails. And the way we start with nailing is we try to do like a star process. So we go diagonally, the opposite sides, and we hammer different nails.
Yeah, like that.
What happened to diagonally hammering?
Oh, yeah.
And the last nail. Alright, right, so we have the bottom part of our box. It's all hammered. We got 4 sides and the back. We're now going to go to step
Number 4.
right. Step number 4, lay the frame bottom piece down with the nail holes facing up. Now, after this step, we're going to get to the fun step that Isaiah wants to do.
Yeah. I actually did.
Oh, I went a little too far. That's good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get the two pieces, small pieces that were left, and we're going to hammer those to basically create like a little bit of a upside down W.
Both of these lines should be facing outwards.
They should be facing in because we're going to slide
Oh, inwards?
inwards. We're going to slide the picture frames in the inside of that. So we want to make sure that those are even. Now, again, this is very important that they are hammered in a line because that's going to go in the inside of the box.
They have holes in them.
So let's hammer those in. Excellent. So now we put that aside.
Hold on.
A little more. Okay.
It's able to.
They're going to move until we put the bottom piece to it. But now we're going to go to step number 5.
Is peeling.
And we're going to peel these. Peel off the blue protective sheets from both sides of the clear plastic sheets. Slide them into the slots. Align the screw holes in the top frame. Frame side pieces using a number 2 screwdriver and attach them together with 2 screws to form a photo frame.
And I got it.
And here we go. Ooh, that was quiet, but yeah, that was smooth. Pretty smooth. So now it's got to do all 4 sides. We got to peel these off. Ethan, why don't you grab the other one and help along so we can move a little quicker here?
Got it.
You got the other one?
And you should watch from the other side. It's more satisfying.
Ooh.
It sounded like tape.
That did sound like tape.
It sounded like tape getting
Oh,
ripped.
here goes Ethan's.
What is it?
Smooth and quiet.
It's super satisfying.
What about this one? Is this going to be the that one too? Like a tape?
Like it's getting peeled off.
Yeah. Nice.
It's like the main side that it probably is when it does that.
Right. There's one side that's stickier than the other one. So now we're going to put those 2 pieces together. We're going to put the 2 frames together.
Yes.
So put them together. And we're going to slide them in to the picture frame. Here you go, Isaiah. Slide it in. And then Nathaniel's going to get the bottom piece and the 2 screws to screw them in.
Ta-da.
So the picture frames don't come out. Now we don't have another picture right now available, but you can, because it's the screws, you can take the screws out and find a photo and put a photo in there, or even switch it out. All right, Isaiah. So now go ahead and add the 2 Phillips screwdrivers, or excuse me, the 2 screws using a Phillips screwdriver, and attach them together with the 2 screws to form a photo frame. So now he's going to put a screw through it and then put it down into the little pin. We add a little pin to it, and we're going to get the screwdriver and we're going to tighten it. Now, how do we tighten it?
I never saw this ever
No?
happening. I do not know. I didn't know.
Nope.
Okay, this has magnets.
Yep, it is magnetic. Uh-oh. Are you having a difficult time with this?
Why does it have to be magnetic?
Why don't we just do a quick snap? Do you think?
Okay, let's do this faster. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! I didn't know. I thought it was not going to work, but it worked.
It's screwed in now?
Mhm.
Well, that was pretty easier than using the screwdriver.
You know, see if it pops out.
Oh. Okay, so now we're ready to go to our next step, which is step number 6. And for step number 6, we're going to need the help of your brother.
Huh?
Ethania.
Okay. Who's your brother?
Well, he's got 2 brothers, right?
Yeah, he's my older brother.
Oh, okay, your older brother. So for this one,
Okay, so we're going to be taking this.
We're going to lay the lid flat with the aiming lines facing up. So the lid that has the lines, we're going to want that facing up. Not the picture frame, but the lid. The edge with the aiming lines with the bottom edge. Add thin lines of glue between the 2 nail holes on the side and bottom of the cutout. Using the aiming lines as a guide, place the photo frame on the lid. Hold down the photo frame for about a minute so the glue will be sticky. Correctly turn the project over using 6 short nails. You will nail them together.
Okay.
Perfect. Great. All right, so now we're going to go to step number 7. But before we do step number 7, there's something you all need to know. If you're painting the project, paint only the box and the top surface of the lid. Be very careful not to put paint on the clear plastic sheets or slots. You want to make sure that that stays nice and clean so when you put your photo, it will be visible. Also, allow the paint to dry completely before adding the stickers, or your stickers will not stick. So, are you all going to paint this project, or are you going to leave it as is?
We're going to leave it as this for now. This one was painted.
And the stickers were added after the paint dried. So if you're going to add stickers, we can't add it till after we paint it. So what we could do now is we could put the stickers away inside the box and cover it up. So, where is our assistant? Where's your little brother?
Oh, hi.
Oh.
And I heard you talking about that. If that does happen, make sure you don't have this in when if you finish it, do not add paint over up here.
The stickers.
Yeah, you need something covering it.
Yes.
Or it'll drop down and paint on this.
Yes.
And the stickers will drop like a snowman that is melting.
Yeah.
Here.
So let's put that in the box because are we going to paint this or not?
Paint it,
no.
paint it, paint it.
So if you're going to paint it, you need to put the stickers away because we cannot put the stickers on till after it's painted.
Because it's mine.
Oh, it's yours. Okay. Yeah. So let's just put the lid on to show everybody how the lid works. So you just put it and cover it in there and gently push it down. And it should go, all 4 corners should go in pretty good.
I said paint it because
Yep.
so I can paint over.
There we go.
That
So
scared
it's
me.
nice and sealed. So let's show the box. It's a nice little,
Okay.
and you're going to get that painted. So now that you've completed the project at this point, just a quick reminder that if you look into your kit, you will also get a certificate of achievement and you also get a pin. Thanks for watching, and remember,
If you like the show, help us grow.
Hit the
that
like
by hitting that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
Bye.
Bye.